Imaje 9330 machine parts, a piece of furniture. Every day, we look at the items placed on the ground here. This time, our safety goggles. The safety goggles are doubled, meaning they are also used for cleaning, rinsing, spraying water, or waste liquid. Below, there is a waste liquid bucket to collect it, and you need 2 of these. This is a cleaning pot. This magnifying glass, I estimate, is used for maintenance when the machine is idling or empty. Power cord. The power cord is just a requirement. This is the first kit inside here for us this time. Inside here. These are tools: a screwdriver, a corner bracket, a nozzle, fixing plate, and the factory documents. This is an operation manual for the first time the machine is started. What else is there? What else is good? Let's take a look over here. The back of the machine. Over here, we have a switch. This is the machine's power switch. Let me point out the ports here. Up here, these sockets. This one is Ethernet, this Ethernet port, and this one is for the sensor, this one is the encoder socket, and this one is for the alarm light, You see, the black one is for the sensor, the blue one is for the encoder, and the yellow one is for the alarm light. That's the alarm light connection. This is 21S232. This is the 2S2-22 connector, and this is the M12 stable line rubber wave ING interface. Over here, this is the conduit, the entire conduit with a connector at one end. Single eye diagram. Here is the neck. This is the spray gun. This is the nozzle. This is the nozzle. This is the charging slot, detector, high voltage board, and the return slot. All right, let's take a look inside here. Over here, this is the main board, and this is the power supply. This point here, the main board, this is the computer. Not sure about this red packet. This is the buffer. This electronic cover is for protection. This is the directory fan. Touch the fan. Over here is the ink. This side is the computer. This is also a computer. This is also a computer. There are several computers. This is the screen, the display. What does the inside look like? Let's open this up. Isn't it mainly these two words, M6 and M6? One is ink and the other is solvent accessory. Ink and solvent accessory.